Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code WS-37432-9 on PS4. First, let's ensure your console has a basic internet connection by going to Settings, then Network, and finally, Test Internet Connection. This initial check quickly tells us if your console is even able to connect to the wider internet. Observing these results will guide our next troubleshooting steps. This is a crucial starting point for any network issue. Next, let's adjust your DNS settings for a potentially more stable connection. Go to your PlayStation 4 network settings, select Setup Internet Connection, then Custom. Choose your connection method, either Wi-Fi or LAN cable. For DNS settings, select Manual, then enter 8 for primary and 8 for secondary. Continue through the remaining settings, usually leaving them as automatic. After adjusting your DNS, it is vital to perform another internet connection test. Return to your PlayStation 4 network settings and select Test Internet Connection once more. Observe the results carefully, especially for the PlayStation network sign-in status. If this now says successful, you have likely resolved the issue. If not, don't worry, we have more steps to try, ensuring a thorough approach. Sometimes, the issue lies with your home network equipment, not just the PlayStation 4 itself. Try power cycling your router and modem. Unplug both devices completely from their power outlets. Wait for a full 60 seconds. This ensures all cached data clears. Then, plug them back in, starting with the modem, and wait for all the lights to stabilize before powering on your router.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.